Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on New Barton Street in Salford M6, popular early in the height location to show you this stunning, recently renovated 2-bedroom terrace property. As we head inside, we go into a welcoming entrance hallway, which on your right opens on up to a lovely spacious dining room, nice and neutrally decorated as you can see. At the front we've got this lovely bay fronted lounge. As we head towards the rear of the property, this lovely fitted kitchen that leads on out to a nice, well presented courtyard garden at the rear. Properties in this location are incredibly popular due to their close vicinity to transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester city centre as well. It would be a great first-time home or investment. As you can see, it is ready for you to pack your bags and move into. Upstairs, straight on, we have this really large 3-piece bathroom. Then we've got the second bedroom just through here. Just a good sized double. Then as we head through towards the front of the property, we have the main bedroom. Again, nice and neutral, ready for you to put your own stamp on it. Get in touch to score your viewing today.